My name is Trudy Brewer and I'm the editor of Beauty EQ, and I'm in my 50s. When it comes to aging, I do fight an internal battle. I often say, come on, beauty is not important, and focus more on what really matters, like friendships, family, and happiness. So eat well, move more, and invest in a skincare routine that works for you and offers results. Aging is inevitable, we're all going to age, but thinking and feeling old is optional. I look for skincare that offers visible results, clinically proven formulas with active natural ingredients. The new Essano Visible Repair range contains active ingredients, clinically proven formulas that offer real results. The new Essano Visible Repair range was created for women with mature skin using natural ingredients, the hero, Lapagyl, from the tree of life. Lapagyl, along with vitamin C and other plant extracts, not only brighten the skin, they offer real visible results within 4 weeks. There are 4 products in the Essano Visible Repair range, made for women who want to age fearlessly.